So one of the things that you can do with Claude is you can go ahead and generate out animations as well with HTML. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say create an animation with play button, timeline control. Let's say, for example, create an animation with play button and timeline control right here. In HTML5. Let's say, for example, so I just need to be, let's say, for example, detail, right? I can say create an animation with play button and time control in HTML file for a tutorial on how to stay safe online right here. Let's say, for example, make sure to include, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say, make sure to include subtitles as well that displays along with the animation right here. So then what I can also do is say I can say make the animation very detailed and add good graphics in it. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and say this, and then if I were to go ahead and hit the send button right here, then Claude will actually go ahead and read out the skills right here, and you can see that it is creating a detailed animation right here. So you can see that it is starting to write the HTML code right here, just like this, and in a while it'll go ahead and give me a detailed content. So you do need to go ahead and wait for a while for this to be generated. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip to the part on when this actually generates. And you can see that this is the file that it actually generated right here. You can see a preview over here on the right here. You can even go ahead and download it out as an HTML file, as you can see. So if I were to go ahead and click on the play button, you can see that this is what it actually generated. So I told it to create something related to internet safety, and there you go. You can see like I got the detail right here on the bottom. I got the, let's say, for example, the subtitle right here, and you can see that it is teaching me how I can what is weak password and what is a strong password and so forth. We even got the timeline scrubber, and you can see that these are all the animations right here, which is made with HTML right here. You got little graphics right there just like this as well, and then you can see that you can easily go ahead and make animations right here. So this is what I did for actually a tutorial video, but you can go ahead and do this for any other sort of videos as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can see it says updating and so forth. So as you go around, you can see that this is what you have. So you can simply go ahead and tell it to create out, let's say, an HTML5 animation, and it goes ahead and creates out an interesting HTML animation just like this. You can go ahead and then change out the speed as well, so you can see that this is what you have and so forth right here. So that is basically how you can go ahead and create out an HTML5 animation as you like easily in Claude. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe